I am 7 years old. I am grade 2. Today I want to tell you what's inside my bag. So I have two books.
How many books do you have?
I have 3 books. My book is full.
It's cool. Okay, next.
And I have
Okay.
inside my pencil case. I have eraser. I have sharpener. I have correction pen. Correction tape.
That one is correction pen or correction tape?
Correction tape.
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 Repeat after me. Correction tape.
Correction tape.
Okay, good job.
And I have 2 pencils. And I have 1 pen.
Okay. What else? Then? Okay. What is that? Pay? Okay. You want to draw with papers? Okay. What you don't have? What don't you have, Kai, in your bag? What don't you have in your bag?
I don't have highlighter. And I don't have correction pen.
Okay. How is your pencil case?
My pencil case is gold.
Is your pencil case expensive?
I think it is cheap.
Cheap. Okay. How is your pencil? Is your pencil broken?
My pencil
Is not.
is not broken.
Okay, repeat. Okay. Kai, is your pencil broken?
My pencil is not broken.
Okay, then say.
I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, good job.